What's up, YouTube? It's been so long. It's been about like 2 years, y'all. And I am ready to come back on YouTube. So I want to start this video off by saying I apologize to the people that's been reaching out to me in the comments, emails, asking me for help, wanting to join the Susu, needing help on Facage. But I literally haven't been on YouTube. I literally haven't logged in until literally yesterday. And I was like, oh man, dang, people needed my help 5 months ago, a year ago, a year and a half ago. And I apologize, y'all. I really just been life hit me, let's just say that. And at that time, to me, YouTube wasn't important, but it's important though. I literally was thinking about YouTube last week. I got my teeth pulled out, my wisdom teeth, and I couldn't do nothing for a whole week. I was down, I was in the bed, I was in a whole bunch of pain, and I was just sitting there thinking dang, I need to get back on YouTube. But I want to talk about things that I want to talk about. And now it's you know what? No excuses. It's time for me to jump back on YouTube. So many different things has changed in my life. When I was on YouTube before, I was working a 9 to 5. I no longer do that. I quit my job a year ago. Yeah, it's been a year now. It's been about a year, because I quit my job March 2021. And now it's April 2022. So yeah, it's been a year. I don't work for nobody no more. I work for myself. I'm doing a gig economy right now. And I'm you know what? I'm about to get back on YouTube, and I'm about to show people how I be out here getting to this bag. You get what I'm saying? And that's what I'm doing. So I'm switching over to content. So I'm not talking about Facage no more. I'm not talking about digital Susu no more. I'm still in digital Susu, but I don't be logging in on there no more. Facage, I still got it, but I'm not heavy on it no more. I'm still heavy on crypto. I still feel strongly about crypto, so I am going to talk about crypto sometime. But for the most part, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make money. You get what I'm saying? I'm going to talk about crypto, still helping people with crypto, how they can get it, invest in it, whatever you want to call it. I'm still going to be doing that. But most of the content on my channel going to be showing you guys how I'm making money right now, and basically how I'm going to take what I'm doing right now to get me to the next steps in my life. So I'm recording this for myself too, because I really love just keeping track of my journey, so I can go back dang, it's like a diary, like a digital diary. So that's what I'm doing. And you guys stay tuned. My next video, I'm probably gonna be in a car or in a store, running around, getting to some money, doing Instacart, DoorDash, Uber Eats, all that stuff. Y'all gonna see that. And I got some other things that I'm working on right now to get to some money, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna bring that stuff to y'all as well. And yeah, that's basically it. But yeah, I'm coming back. I'm gonna be consistent. I ain't going nowhere this time. I'm not going to drop off of YouTube land ever again. Well, I can't say ever again, but for right now, I'm not. You know what I mean? So my apologies to everybody that was trying to reach out to me. If y'all still trying, if you guys still need help when it comes to certain things, when it comes to crypto and all of that, just leave a comment under this video. I'll still help y'all out. You get what I'm saying? But for the most part, moving forward, I'll be showing y'all how I get to this money. You know what I'm saying? I probably will do some videos about profits and stuff like that I be making with crypto right now. You know what I mean? But we'll save that for the future. So I'm going to see y'all in the next video. See y'all later.